Hi, it's Paul Graham from Frontier Technology today. I'm here with Ravi, our senior engineer within Frontier. This is part of our nutshell session on cloud. Today we're talking about Everything Azure Stack HCI. So Ravi's been testing one of the Lenovo's boxes for over a month. Ravi, where should we start?
Yeah, let me start with the unboxing the Lenovo hardware.
Perfect.
Let me open this box. Yeah, here we go. So this is the 2 power supply which is connected to this box, and you see there are fans here. This will remove the heat from this processor. There are 3 powerful fans are connected, and if you see, this is the RAM. 64 plus 64, 128 GB RAM, and one processor, single processor, and it has 2 SSD hard disks connected on this device. That is for OS, for this one.
So that's the M2 boot.
Yeah, this is for boot.
Okay.
This is for drive one. When you see here, these 2 disks are, this is NVMe, not SSD. This is connected, and
they're RAIDed as well.
Yeah,
yes.
it's RAID as well. So RAID 1 is configured here. So suppose one disk is failed, the other disk will go. And when you see here, this is another type of configuration. This is for only data. This is completely NVMe. This complete cage is NVMe.
So these are drive bays, yeah. So that's basically NVMe here.
This is NVMe. This is SSD or NVMe.
Okay.
This could be any type, but this is NVMe. And this is the RAM, and this is the RAM, this is the processor. So then here the management connectivity is there, onboard connectivity, the Ethernet connectivity, and the storage connectivity is here. Yeah, this is a simple form factor of this server.
Perfect, thank you. So Ravi, very interesting month for testing. So let's get down to now the use cases. I mean, who'd want to use this?
Yeah, it is mainly used for the branch office and to run any virtualized workloads, or run VD environment, or SQL workloads, and they wanted to connect with the cloud, Azure cloud. They want to get the benefit from the Azure cloud, so those can go for this.
So it's very much customers that have data requirements that has to be at the edge, and then latency issues like manufacturing, where you need that fast performance and not relying on the cloud.
Yeah, the manufacturing industry, they wanted to run their SQL workloads on the Azure Stack HCI or on-prem, they can go for this.
So it's high performance requirements.
Yeah, high performance requirements, because this server has an NVMe hard disk, which is integrated with storage space direct, where they will get the high IOPS.
Perfect. And Ravi, what about management? How easy was it for you to pick this up? I mean, you've got customers out there who've never touched servers before. They've been in the cloud, born in the cloud, and then you've got the other side of the spectrum of a Windows background. Yeah. How easy are these guys going to be able to pick this up? Is the barrier of entry easy of learning?
It's very easy to learn. The engineer who knows Windows administrator, and who knows Hyper-V, who knows Azure portal basic experience, Azure administrator can manage this. No need to learn as a new technology.
And finally, I mean, obviously people are going to cloud for simplification, easier management.
Yeah.
The biggest bugbear I was when I was in administration was just about the patches and administration and the compliance. Right. I mean, is it now going to be that as simple as a single posture of deploying all the governance for your cloud?
Yeah, that's a very good future where they integrated with Azure portal. It's governance. Governance can be done from the compliance portal, from the Azure compliance portal. So they can do a governance for all Azure Stack HCI OS. They can manage it from there. When it comes to management, Azure monitor and site recovery, backup, update management, compliance, everything they can run from the portal, single portal, and fast services as well. And Microsoft is keep adding the more PaaS features. Every 6 months we are updating the version, so where it will come as a future update from update management. When you update the future update, we will get the new features, and we will get the new PaaS services from the Azure portal as well.
So this is an evergreen operating system, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's not like you install it once and then it's just features and functions added continuously.
Continuously, yeah.
And the complete management of patches all with Microsoft and the hardware vendor.
Yeah.
So
it is integrated with many hardware vendors. Say for example, Lenovo, Dell, and HP.
Yeah.
And not only hardware integration, they integrated with for firmware as well. So they have multiple extensions. Using extension, they can manage the hardware, firmware, etc. Say for example, Lenovo X Clarity. Using Lenovo X Clarity, they can manage the Lenovo hardware, firmware.
So the hardware comes in two guises. So Azure Stack HCI comes in two forms today. You have the certified lists of hardware, which is a comprehensive list of different machines that work with Azure Stack HCI.
Yeah.
But equally, there are vendors like Dell Technologies, Lenovo, and Data On that basically are providing appliances, that true turnkey capability.
Yeah.
And that's where the share of the responsibility moves up to a greater level. So if you're looking for the turnkey kind of capabilities, I guess customers should be looking at the appliances, right?
Yeah. The appliances would be good and when it comes to automation and updating the cluster and stuff like that.
So you get a notification on your phone to apply the patches, and then you just apply it. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed our session today on Azure Stack HCI. For any inquiries, please get in touch.